Another question I want to hit you with here is, could nanomedicine realistically replace chemotherapy in the future, and what would need to happen to make this a safe and effective option? I think that's very much what we're pursuing now, but
yes. The answer to that is, replace is a big word. It's certainly going to overtake chemotherapy. There are some. It's to get into the weeds. There are blood-borne diseases that are going to require systemic treatments, and there are solid tumor diseases that are slightly different in their approach and target. But no question, nanomedicines meaning these minuscule, targetable, precise devices and capsules of treatment are definitely the future. The biggest limitation in immunotherapy today is toxicity. As David said early on, immunotherapy, the way it works all now is it requires that the immune system has engaged the tumor and then for some reason has been turned off. Checkpoint inhibitors enable checkpoints to be inhibited. In other words, the immune system carries on and does what it. But checkpoint inhibitors are in place because they're also there to protect your immune system from attacking you, autoimmunity. And so when you disable a safety check in your immune system, you enable toxicity. And so what's happening with not a lot of people, but 20% of people on a single agent and up to 50% of people on 2 agents, is that this autoimmune toxicity can be life-threatening, if not lethal. And so finessing that, what we're doing is we're manipulating the tumor microenvironment to make it more immunogenic with less aggression, with less systemic, an affront on the system. So yeah, nanomedicine for everything, literally, and nanomedicine nanotechnology is a very big term. Nanorods, nanoparticles, nano encapsulators. There's all kinds of nano. This is what we love about the gold, is that it is a therapeutic device in and of itself that you can action. And B, it's a payload. It's a vehicle to carry additional things to that coalface, to that thing that you're trying to perturb. And so it's exciting for us. It's one of the grails. I'll be interested to see what the world brings us, because this is stimulating everybody's imagination, as you can well imagine.
They say when all you have is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. Instead of making a bigger hammer, it seems like you're making the nail is easier to see.
Well, that's right. Put that on a shirt. That's what we're doing. Exactly right.
That's it.